All right, we're working on Intermediate Lesson 1, Basic Manipulations. Let's jump right into a problem. This is a multi-step percent problem. The sweet price of a sweet amigo, scratch that, the Bronco, is $5,832 before taxes. If the tax rate in Ohio is 7%, what is the total cost of the Bronco including taxes? A couple different ways you can do this. To find the tax, you take whatever you're spending on the item times the tax rate, which in this case is 7% or 7/100. That's going to give us $408.24. The question is, what is the total cost? So that would be the price of the vehicle plus the tax. To find that, we're going to add the price of the Bronco plus the tax, $408.24, and that's going to give us a total of $6,240.24. There's another way to do this problem, and that's if you understand that the original price represents 100% of the cost. In addition to that, you're going to be paying another 7%. So another way to do total cost would be to take the price of the vehicle and multiply it by 107%. The 100% comes from the total cost of the vehicle, the 7% comes from the tax. If you multiply those together, you're going to get the same dollar amount of $6,240.24. There we go. Number 2. Tom Sneaks offers a 20% discount on all Jordans during Black Friday. How much must Scotty Doesn't Know pay for Jordan 3s priced at $280? You can also do this in a couple different ways. One way would be to figure out what 20% discount is. So the discount is going to be the price of the item times 20%. And that is going to be $56. And then to find the sale price, we're going to take the original price minus the discount, and that's going to give us a price of $224. Once again, if you understand percentages, there's an alternate way to do this. If you're saving 20% of the cost, that means you're going to be paying 80%. So another way to do this problem, different method, is to take the original price and multiply it by the percent that you are paying. This is very similar to the previous tax problem. The percent we're paying is 107%. Here we're paying 80%, which is 0.80 or 80 hundredths. And that's going to also give you $224. Next, let's talk about profit. Profit is taking the revenue, that's the money that comes into the company, minus the cost. Cost can be in many forms. It could be what you're paying the employees, could be from materials or whatever you're producing. So in general, profit is revenue minus cost. Example, an antique dealer bought a painting for $5,000. At what price should the dealer sell the painting in order to profit 60% of the cost of the painting? So you can do this once again in a couple different ways, and we don't actually use this formula for this problem. But if they bought it for $5,000 and they want to make 60% more than that, we're going to multiply that by 0.60, and that's going to give us $3,000. So 60% of 5,000 is $3,000. Well, when they're going to sell it, they want to sell it for the original money that they paid for it, plus the 60%, which is $3,000. It's going to give us $8,000 total. Another way to look at this problem, this is very similar to the first two that we did. They want to sell it at the original price, 160% of that. You want to get all your money back with 100% plus 60% more, and that's going to give you $8,000 as well.